First off, you're going to want to bring it around town. Score the edge, pull that jacket off. You want to cut your fuzzy friend off and say goodbye to the other. Make sure your wire is labeled. Then you're going to want to go in the order of white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, brown. Put them all into position and then cut the excess off. Then you're going to want to stick it right into that RJ. Get it in there. Nice and snug. See that? See that? Then you're going to want to crimp it. There you go.